Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a listing on booking.com. It's really simple and easy. First of all, just open up the booking.com website on your laptop or PC, and then you will see this kind of interface. Come to this group home page and then tap on any listing here and you will be land on this page. Just simply go for this inbox, go for this booking.com messages, click on this see contact options and tap on this account and password, the last option. Go for this option here and then tap on this terminate contract. You have to give the reason here, then tap on next again. You have to answer this, tap on this next again, then check this box and simply tap on this terminate my contract and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to delete a listing on booking.com. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.